10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, go for it! I love it! I know it costs a little bit more to run them this year, but damn it, is it worth it. Song to my ears. Oh, yeah. That was beautiful.
Smells so good.
Oh, I love the smell of fuel in the air. Yeah, I've had more people come up this year and ask what time that was, and they said that is the only reason that they come out here, is they want to hear the cars. So you've done a great job. I love it. Everybody loves it. And we appreciate everybody that does it. Oh yeah, I got to get back to business. Ladies,